Yo, he's like orange. Do you notice this? I've never seen one like this. Get in the net, dude. Holy little guy. Oh, he just got eaten by a muskie. Oh my God. He just got eaten by a muskie. Welcome back to Line and Dine TV. Today I had a really fun time taking the kayaks out in the river. Took one of my buddies out and did some smallmouth fishing. And as you can see from the intro, had some pretty crazy moments. Had a super big smallmouth hit a Ned rig. Had a muskie eat a bass. Like, this was just an absolutely insane trip. Probably some of the best fishing of the year for me. But, you know, just a really fun time. We had a beautiful day. The water was crystal clear and just, you know, moving at a really nice speed. So, yeah, we had a ton of fun. So, if you guys like what you see today, make sure to drop a like. If you want to see more stuff like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn those post notifications on so you can find out when I post. I think that's it for the intro, guys, so let's get right into the action. Thanks. Yeah, and when you cast, like, for like a deep area like this, you want to put it... There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's pretty nice, too. He's not bad. Nice smallie. Nice.
What'd you cast?
Yeah. Oh, he's a fat little sucker. He's fat. Yo, he's like orange. Do you notice this? I've never seen one like this.
What?
I've heard about these. Some of them get orange like this. You see how orange he is? I've heard about that. I've never caught one though. That's pretty cool. Yeah. There you go, buddy. Nice.
First catch of the day.
Okay, we haven't been skunked. That's good.
I gotta get it more caught like this.
There we go. Little guy.
You got one?
Little one. Oh, he's gone. The best spot that we're going to anchor is underneath the big bridge where I caught that, where I lost that big one. There we go. Get up here. Yeah. Nice. He's small. Little guy.
Was it lake fishing or river?
Another little guy. Oh, that one. I don't know. They fight pretty hard. You sometimes get ones that are only a pound that like really fight good. So it's hard to tell. That was a good one though. He had my pulse smack. There we go. There's one. Get up here. Our little one. They're here. Where are the big ones? Where are the big ones? It's your brother. They're all like super light colored for whatever reason. I mean, some big bastards. There we go, finally a bass. Tiny one. You probably did get bit. Sometimes that happens like if you hit a rock weird, but most of the time when it's like your worm gets twisted like that and there's no weeds on it, it's usually a fish that hit it. Okay, there's a smallmouth right there. You can probably see him. Do you see him on the rocks? Oh my God. I just got a nice one. He's not that nice, but he ate it like a nice one. Oh, he's fighting, dude. Nice. Oh, another pretty one, dude. Wow. Another orange one. Look how orange they are. Yeah, another fat one. Look how pretty, dude. Wow. Look at that fish. Beautiful. Look at that. Look how orange he is, dude.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's crazy. Huh?
Pretty fish.
Yeah. Here, buddy. Oh, there's a big dead mini, it looks like. What the? That's a fish. There we go. Oh, yeah. Another one. Yeah, not bad. About the same size as that last one. I'm gonna drop my anchor right here. Yeah. They're all like real orange up here. Wonder why. There's a small one. Ooh. Get him in here. Get him in here. Get him in here. Oh, nicer one. There we go. Nope, he's gone now. All that for that. All that for that little. Like, let out a bunch of line and then paddle back up and get it. Oh, that just got murdered. I just got another one. Hold on. That's the nicest one yet. There we go. Nice. Double. You stuck again?
Yeah, I had it out. I got it.
There we go.
Is that 11?
11, bro. Well, a lot of them are small, so.
I don't understand. Like, I fixed it. Like,
Yeah, sometimes it's a little. Come on, where's the big? There's one. Oh my god. That's not a big one though. Yeah, I love that shit. Dude, I freaked out when I just hooked that fish. I thought it was another one. We can get out on the shore up here. There's one. On a crankbait, yeah. Oh, he's a nice one. Sweet. He's not bad. I'm gonna get the pliers for him though. I just have to do the shake test on him. There you go. It's a good one there. That's a different feeling pole. Wow. There we go. Oh, that's a bigger fish. Oh, nice one. Nice one, nice one, nice one. That's a net. That's a big fish, dude. A big smallmouth. He's big. Oh my god, he's a pig.
need the net.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh wow, that's a nice fish. Oh my god. Get in the net, you. Holy f. Oh my god. Holy. Oh. Oh my god. That's a tank. Golly. That's a chunk. Oh, that's a chunk and a half. Okay, I got to get a weight. I'd say he's 3.5. That's what I would bet. Wow, look at that.
How much is he?
3.8. 3 pounds, 8 ounces. That's a big there. Wow.
You were right.
Oh, I'm literally exactly on. Holy shit. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful fish.
It's like a unit.
Holy shit, he just...
Last zone.
Hey, up here, baby.
Shit.
Yeah, let's go. That's a big boy right there. I mean, you could. There's guys who do.
Got one.
You got one. Nice. Yeah, let me see. Smallmouth. Nice. There you go. Oh, look, he has a genetic mutation. Look at his
You hold him.
Look at his little snub nose. He has a mutation. Did you see that?
The eye?
No, it's his nose is like real short. There you go, buddy. Nice, good job.
A little small one.
Yeah. There's another one. Yeah. He's not bad. Oh, nice one. He's fat. You can tell you can see the bellies on them. They're starting to get fat for the winter, you know? Nice. Some fat. Make it bigger, bite. I've never been there, dude. I really want to try that there. Yeah, we're gonna have to do it soon though. It's gonna start to get too cold. I'm down next weekend. There's one. Small guy. Tiny guy. He's about 4 inches. Ah. Oh, I just got broken off. What? Caster. It's probably a muskie or a pike. Cast and try to get him. Right. Yeah, paddling up. We paddled up probably a mile. There's some casts up in here. There's one maybe. Yep. Little guy. Oh, he just got eaten by a muskie. Oh my God. He just got eaten by a muskie. I'm not even shitting you. I have a muskie on the line.
Wait, what?
I just watched him get eaten by a muskie.
Wait, there's a muskie?
There's a muskie on it. He ate the bass.
Wait, what?
Oh my God. Wait, it's big. It's big. It's a big muskie. Holy. I saw him eat it. How big he is. He's huge. Dude, we're gonna have a problem getting this thing in the boat. Oh, he spit it. He spit it. So, look how that fish just got chewed up. He beat up his...
He'll live though, right?
Yeah, he'll live. See how he got his fin? He got cut there. So he was just holding him. I just want to get him back in the water. I don't want this fish to die. I don't really have anything to... I mean, I could... I have this rod with braid, but the chances of me like getting him again are probably fairly low.
That was nuts.
Well, never had that happen before. Yeah, it's weird here. It's like going all different places. There's one. Oh yeah, nice one. Oh, nice. That's a good one there. Holy sh! God, he is fat. The little sucker, he's fat. I'm just spinning around all kinds of different directions here. We the best music.
They didn't believe in us. So small, dude.
There we go.
Like, this is trash. I'm never looking.
Dude, there was one in here. Oh, look at that one. Smalley. He's going crazy.
You have to be close to 20.
Smallies love the rocks. Largemouth usually like weeds. They like rocks too, but there's one. Oh my.
Got one?
Yeah, he's small. Hey, not that small actually. This one. Nice fat little sucker.
Dude, it's raining again.
Getting fat. Fat from winter.
Yeah.
Try a spinner? Try something else.
What, do I got a spinner in there?
Yeah, you have a couple.
Do you not use
20. Get in here. Oh, he's so small. Huh.
just a bait?
For smallmouth, yeah. Oh, see ya.
Just pet and eat? This crankbait stuff. I need to get a new one. I'm gonna get one for deeper water.
Yeah, you could get a little bit deeper diver one.
That would be
You're good. Well, we're also like... Oh, one's on there.
Y'all?
Yeah. 21.
They're so small.
I know, they're tiny.
That was real tiny.
All right, that's going to wrap it up for another episode of Line and Dine TV. As always, I had a ton of fun making this video, so hopefully you guys had just as much fun watching it. Still got a lot of footage left from the end of the year, so going to be posting a lot more, posting on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, shorts, and full-length videos. So yeah, just stay tuned for a lot more content. So I think that's it for the outro. See you guys next time. Thanks.